it at the park. Dropping in on neighbors is all part of Jolene's world. Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that big tornado. Get all filled with pride in the double wide. Jolene's Sugarbaker, she's the trailer park queen. Jolene's Sugarbaker, she's the trailer park queen.
Well, hey there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jolene, the Trailer Park Cooking Show, where I teach you how to live on a budget and do it the Trailer Park way. Well, 2020 sure has been long, and I swear we may have had 725 Taco Tuesdays. There's only so many times you can, well actually you can have tacos all the time, but sometimes you want something different, and today we're going to be making a great pasta that has taco flavors in it, and it's so simple, and it uses that Rotini Pasta, and it's great with some cheese up on top of it. It's got taco flavors, it's super simple, and you're going to love it one of these nights coming up. It's my beef taco pasta up next on the Trailer Park Cooking Show. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Making my taco beef pasta is really simple, and I've got a pound of ground beef here with a small onion diced, which I do it off camera because I always end up owing a copay when I have to do it on camera. I'm not really good. I'm gonna have to take some classes on some knife skills, I will tell you that. But I'm using my favorite burner, and don't tell me you don't have a favorite burner, but this one is mine. And we're gonna brown this ground beef up here. Now, this has a lot of chilies in it, and it's going to be a little spicy, but I do like to add a little bit of garlic powder to pretty much any ground beef recipe. So let's go ahead and add some fresh garlic powder in there. Now, you could probably use some clove garlic too, but this is just what I have on hand. It's so scarce at the store lately. So let me brown this up, and I'll check back with you in just a moment. Okay, once you have the ground beef all browned up, you're going to take a taco seasoning packet, just the store brand is okay, and just dump it on in there just like that. Then you're going to need 16 ounces of your favorite salsa, and it can be hot as you want it, but this is just mild. So that goes on in there just like that. And then I have, this is 7 ounces of the green chilies. Now, they have the fire roasted. I couldn't find it, but this is just the regular ones, and that'll do just fine. And then we're going to add 2 cups of hot water to that, just like that, right on into the bowl. Now, today we are using a Rotini Pasta, which is the nice little spiral. That gives it a nice kind of squiggle look to it, and I'm just going to mix this around just a little bit before we put in the pasta. Look at that. Wow, smell that pepper smell with the peppers in there, and this is going to be spicy and so nice. Maybe great for a nice winter night too. And we're going to use half a box. Oh, I'm going to break my stove too. Half a box, which is 16 ounces, is a full box. We're going to use half of that right on in there, just like that. There we go, about a half a box there. And mix it around just like that. This is like your own dinner in a box. Look at this. Y'all are paying all that money for those expensive meal services, and you just need to buy a few things at the store, and it will be set. Now we are going to slap a lid right on that, and we're going to bring the heat down, there we go, to a low, and we are going to cook this for about 12 to 15 minutes until the noodles are well cooked, and we're going to stir it every now and then to check on it. So set your timer. Okay, it's been about 12 or 15 minutes usually, and look at that, the pasta has cooked up. We've done our own one-pan dinner here really, and wow, we're gonna plate this up with some cheese. You can use any cheese that you want, and I'm gonna use some cheddar cheese, but oh wow, that smells so good. I wish you were here. Well, actually, maybe in a few more months you could be here. But this is, wow, we're gonna put some cheese on this and taste this, and I'll check back with you in just a moment. And there you have it, my beef taco pasta. And wasn't that simple right up on the stovetop? It was like your own box dinner that you put together yourself. And we used the salsa. That was so simple with that. You could use hot or mild or maybe super mild. Some of y'all don't need some of that hot stuff in your life with that. But you can put some cheese up on top of there, or maybe some tortilla chips maybe crumbled up on there. But I am tired of talking about this. And look at those green chilies. That's gonna be hot. But I'm gonna get every bit of this to taste. Wow. Those box dinners don't compare to this. The chilies have that, of course, the nice green flavor with the fire. Whoa, that is hot. And the salsa is, that's got a kick too. And the Rotini Pasta has a nice bite because it has the spiral with that, and the ground beef is nicely seasoned because it has got some of the seasoning from the salsa with that. That is tasty, and wow, I hope you get a chance to make this, and if you do, send me pictures at jolenesugarbaker@gmail.com, and don't forget to follow me all over the place. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Etsy with trailer park stuff, and I have my website at trailerparkqueen.com, and I'll be back with some more recipes too. We all are living on a budget, and now is the time to live the trailer park way. With me, Jolene Sugarbaker. Hit that big old subscribe button. I love y'all, and I'll be back real soon. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that big tornado. Get all filled with pride in the double wide.